What's up, team? It's the 4th of December, and we are back in the charts again. We're about to record part 9 of our daily analysis. So, without any further delay, let us go and check out the news. So, today it appears this is what? Okay, December. All right, actual. Right, December 4th, which is this one. So, on December 4th, we have 5:15 p.m. We have ADP non-farm employment change. And at 7 p.m., ISM services PMI, and 10:45 p.m. Fed Chair Powell speaks. All right, that's fine. Knowing now what news we will be expecting today and the timing, we can now head straight to the chart so that we can see if price will offer us some setups today. First, let us look at Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD appears to be going up. Okay, so we had want to look at the bigger picture. We had 1, 2, 3 to the downside, 1, 2. This appears to be a reset to the downside. So you have one. Let me mark this like this. Okay, so this is level one. So we wanted price to continue to the downside. The only issue about this pair right now is that we are a bit late to the party, given that price has already given us our information after exiting the Asian session. So we still expecting price to continue to drop to the downside. However, you cannot just enter anywhere in the markets. You have to wait for the perfect opportunity to enter, and so that you can actually benefit from these setups. You can't just jump in anyway, given that you might experience like a certain reversal. Because you know how price always reversal, it just moves up and down, up and down. So let's just say you just enter anyway from here. Price might want to reverse all the way here and you'll be in a huge drawdown. So our goal is to preserve our capitals and trade using proper risk management as well. So if we see that the setup is already gone, there's no point in us chasing it to the downside. We just have to wait for price to present us with another opportunity so that we can enter the trade and benefit from it. So on Euro USD, this appears to be level one. So we expecting price to continue to drop to the downside on Euro USD. Then let us go to NZD CAD 1, 2, 3 to the upside. We have one day of drop. Let us look at the 15 minutes. Okay, it's not looking too clear. As I always say, guys, if you don't see a proper setup, don't trade. So let us look at USD CHF. We could say that this is a level. Okay. Yeah, this is a level. 1, 2, 3, level one. Oh, it appears that also on USD CHF, price has already given us an entry result, given that it came down, made the first leg, came up, made the second leg with a long pin to trap traders, and bam to the upside. Now price appears to be continuing to the high side. And also, if you look closer, we also got a second entry as well, if you can refine it, which is a topic also that we're going to be speaking about. You refine this area here, this whole area here. Yeah. So if we refine this whole area here, we can see that. Let us look, go to the 5 minutes. We can see that price broke this high, came back, hit one pin, went up, hit second time, giving us a second W pattern here with the EMA, with the 200, the 50, even the dating as well. Then continue to the upside. This was a beautiful setup. It's only unfortunate that we are late to the party today. So I think that today's lesson is going to be about how important it is to stick to your plan and always stick to your strategy and your analysis. Let us look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY, it appears to be dropping, dropping, dropping uncontrollably. I don't like pairs like this. Even that personally, I can't see much when it comes to pairs that are moving this way. Oh. However, if you look, this looks like a proper multi-session W. Let's just see how price moves today, and maybe tomorrow we might get an entry for the Euro JPY trade. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, and you can see how they got out of this level. They were consolidating here for like how many weeks? 1, 2, for about 3 weeks they were consolidating, and just like that, boom, they got out of there. They probably accumulated, and they probably got enough orders, and they trapped enough traders, so they now continue to the high side. So at this point now that we are in, we might expect price to either consolidate, give us some sort of reversal for continuation, or this is the good one. This is level 1, consolidate, give us some sort of rejection, so we can make level 2 and level 3. Then we can end the week. Let me see. GBP and ZD. Let us bring this one a bit closer. Right, EuroCAD. So for today, most pairs appear to be consolidating, and we haven't been seeing a lot of setups today. But GBP USD is also looking pretty good. Let me just mark this for you guys. Because this clearly looks like a peak formation for me. And then they hit three times to the high. They failed to break it. Let us see how this candle is going to close. Though I would like to enter it somewhere here, given that if we are to enter here, our stop loss would be too big, you know? So on GBP USD. Also, let me do this. I don't like too much noise on the charts. I'm pretty sure that this is also going to be confusing you guys. So the best thing I can do right now is remove as many lines as I can to make sure that the chart is visible. Okay. Okay. GBP USD. Let's see. Let's see GBP USD. Okay. So GBP USD, we appear to have 1 hit, 2 hits, and 3 hits to the high. And price pretty much wants to continue to the downside from this point onwards. So I'd say that this is a proper setup as well on GBP USD. I just hope that we are not late to the party when it comes to GBP USD. So let us continue to check this one. Yeah, I would like it to reach somewhere down here, all the way down here on GBP USD. So how many pip stop would this be? About 32, which is huge. Then 52 pips. Usually I don't like to take trades like this, but um since we have already missed all of other setups, you could also take it, but using a smaller lot size, given that your stop is going to be big. But yeah, so this is my view for today. I believe the good setup today is presented here on GBP It's presented here on GBP USD, even that we've already missed the other pairs. Yeah, so it'd probably be, see, stop loss at the high. How many pips would this be? 25 pips. I'd like to make it about, yeah, one is to two. Yeah, the trade would be about 1:2. So this is my point of view on the markets, guys. I'll be sharing more update with you, and continue to subscribe and share. I'll continue to upload our daily analysis and also new updates on the system. Obviously, I'll be closing down the free trial for the system very soon, somewhere at the beginning of next year. So for all those who are still trying to acquire my bot and benefit from it, you can just hit me up. I'll leave everything at the description down below so that you guys can hit me up and get access to my trading system for the next 3 months. That way you can test it for yourself and check on its performance. Then you let me know. Okay, so as we go and we do a continuation of our trade that we enter on GBPUSD, you can see just as we analyze with one candle, the news candle just now that just came through on the GBP, we can see that with one candle the price has been dropping. So we're about to take our profit very soon now. And yeah, these setups, they're easy to identify. You can identify them on a daily basis. They are there and they're pretty clear, guys. It's not every day that price is going to move this quickly, but whenever it does, it's just a bonus in the business. So you guys can identify these same type of setups every single day and benefit from them. So we're about to take our TP now. I'm just gonna put it somewhere around the M1 area here. Yeah, somewhere around the M1 area should be fine. Let me just make it blue. Yeah, somewhere around the M1 area should be fine for me to take my TP, and that's about it, guys. So let's go.